What makes us feel that what makes us confident to win them is that the citizens of all urban councils and local authorities run by MDC have now been made aware of the rampant corruption that is taking place in all of them, spearheaded by their own corrupt councillors. You know, the land deals that they make, the human resources transfers that they make in order to facilitate corruption. And there's no water, no sewer, no roads. They collect revenue rates in order to share it among themselves. That is the message we are going to take to the council, to the electorate in our urban centers. And we can demonstrate the acts of corruption that are being committed. The fact that even in Harare, the mayor has been arrested. In Chitungwiza, the story is the same. They are building stands or houses, allocating each other stands in flay areas, that is wetlands, in areas which have been set aside for proper wetland wetland. They are building in there. And they are not following any town planning at all. They just build like here in the village. That clearly is a message we are taking to the local authorities, that it is time for them to show their anger against corrupt councillors whom they elected with the hope that they will change their lives, they will transform their lives. We wanted to tell them that their councillors, their corrupt councillors, have been busy lining their pockets. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much for taking your time, colleagues. It's a bit late. Let's release leadership and also have yourself.
Someone has a question?
Yes. You had a follow-up question? Okay.
I want to understand how you separate yourself between the MDC councillors who are corrupt, the Zanu PF ministers who have also been arrested for corruption.
No, but we have arrested ours. Yes, we have, yes. But the acts of the corrupt councillors are palpable. The effects are palpable. You can see it for yourself. If you come from any township or any town, any part of the city, you can see the effects of corruption. Don't you see it? Where do you come from? Where do you stay? Where is your residence? Hatfield. Have you been to Hatfield lately? I've been there. See the dilapidated roads. They are collecting your rents and you don't even complain. They collect your rents, they don't mend the roads. If you go to Chitungwiza, the same story. If you go to Highfield, to Glenview, the same story. And these are people you elected to represent your interests, and they are lining their pockets. Thank you very much.